The company AIMTEC has developed a new set of drivers for light-emitting diodes, AMLDL-Z. The construction is of DIP14 type of the cabinet for models with output current of 300 to 700 mA and DIP16 type of the cabinet for a model with output current of 1000 mA. A decreasing transformation topology is used in these drivers. As the driver is a source of direct current, a current-limiting resistor isn't required. Voltage in the driver output is set automatically depending on the number of light-emitting diodes in the chain. Light-emitting diode drivers AMLDL-Z has an on-off input and regulator of light-emitting diode brightness, analog, voltage change in control input, digital, feed-in input of modulated PWM signal. Simple manner of brightness regulation is analog 1. It is realized with voltage changing in control input. Voltage is to be no more than 0.3, 1.25 volt. Dependence of driver output current on control voltage is linear, and the same for all models. Order of brightness regulation doesn't require external voltage source. Brightness is regulated with variable resistor, placed between control input and input minus. Condenser is intended for less influence of induction and high-frequency interference in control input. Output current of driver is regulated with PWM control signal. PWM signal of operational cycle duration can be fed directly in control input of driver. Regulation of light-emitting diode brightness is feed of PWM signal from the output with an open collector or discharge channel of the controller. A resistor and a diode are necessary for us to suppress emissions of negative polarity in driver input because of transistor capacity in controller output. It is necessary to remember that frequency of PWM signal is to be no less than 100 Hz for the avoidance of visible flickering and to be not more than 1000 Hz, that is maximum bearable frequency of PWM signal in driver input. A light-emitting diode driver, like any switching converter, interferes in power line. To reduce interfering, an input filter is to be installed. An original composition of P-like filter, acting as a condensator and inductor, easily suppresses impulse interference.